Hi everyone! Welcome back to Highlights at Home. National Read a Book Day is coming up on September 6th, so we thought we'd get a head start and focus on reading this week, because it's always a good time to jump into a book. And that is the theme of this week's collection of free, digital, fun with a purpose resources. I'm Christy, I'm an editor at Highlights, and I'm here to share with you this bundle all about reading. Encouraging a love of reading is essential in helping kids build important skills. Kids who read have bigger vocabularies, have longer attention spans, and are better communicators. Plus, reading opens up new pathways of exploration, so kids can experience different people, places, and ideas, which builds their knowledge and their empathy. The best way to nurture a love of reading is to let your child take ownership of what they read. Let them pick the topic, genre, and format. And although we use the word book in the title of this theme, we recognize that reading can mean a lot of things for different kids. So for some kids, reading might mean deciphering a recipe, or figuring out the instructions for their favorite board game, or even looking up song lyrics for their favorite song. If you have a bookworm who constantly needs something new to read, they'll enjoy our story Balancing the Books, which is about a girl who stacks up so many library books in the basket of her bike that she can hardly ride home, and the solution she figures out to have new books all the time. Or if your child is interested in writing their own stories, they'll enjoy the writing games we included in this collection. There are 3 different ideas for fun games that will get the creative juices flowing. Maybe they'll write a story about a messy marsupial and a goofy goose, or maybe a unicycling unicorn and a diving dinosaur. Who knows what stories your kid has to tell? Or maybe your kid is the book critic type, always sharing what they liked and didn't like about their newest read. In that case, they'll love the book review template we've provided in this collection, where they can review any and all books they come across. And sharing books you love with people you love is one of the joys of reading. So, have your kids share their book reviews with their friends and family. No matter what your week looks like, we encourage you to head to your bookshelves or head to the library and book some time with a good book this week. We'll be back soon with more free digital resources. In the meantime, I'll be jumping into one of my favorite books. Have a good week and take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.